everyone. Welcome to our community podcast. Today we're talking about an important program in our barangay, which is the Waste Segregation Innovation. This is about keeping our community clean and safe, while also finding creative ways to manage waste. Joining me today are our researcher, Darnie Espina, and our three guests, Hazel Tawa, Jennifer Gaid, and Mary Veronica. Let's begin with our researcher. Can you tell us the background of this waste segregation project is?
Thank you. Based on our study, proper waste segregation can reduce the amount of garbage that goes to the dump sites. We've made segregation easier through color-coded bins and collection. We see it like pretty much everywhere. This helps households separate biodegradable, recyclable, and residual waste properly. What makes this project special is that the barangay also introduced new innovations that make waste collection more convenient for the people.
That sounds interesting. Can you explain what the main goal of this innovation is?
Our main goal is to make waste segregation easier and more consistent for everyone. Before, garbage would pile up, cause bad smell, and even clog our canals. With this innovation, we ensure that waste collected properly, that the community standards to importance for segregation.
Thank you. Now let's hear one of our guests. I heard your area has something unique when it comes to garbage collection.
Yes, that's right. In our barangay, we have a mini mobile tricycle that goes around house to house to collect waste before the big truck arrives. This makes it easier for families who can always bring their trash to the collection point. The tricycle collects segregated trash and then transfer it to the larger truck when it comes to the schedule. It's really convenient and helps keep the street clean every day.
Wow, that's a great idea. Now let's hear from our last guest. I believe your area has a different approach to waste segregation.
Yes, in our barangay, we make it a habit to sell our recyclable materials like bottle, plastics, and cartons. Instead of just throwing them away, we bring them to barangay to sell it and earn extra money. This way, the recyclable don't just go away, and it also teaches families the value of discipline and resourcefulness.
Before we end, let's ask our researcher one last question. What do this small innovation mean for the long-term future of our barangay?
These innovations may look small, but they create a big impact. The mini tricycle improves waste collection efficiency, while selling recyclables reduces landfill waste and provides extra income. Long term, this means a cleaner environment, less flooding, and a community that values sustainability.
Thank you so much to our guests for sharing their experience. To everyone listening, remember, segregating your waste today makes tomorrow healthier and cleaner. This has been your host, Mens, and you've been listening to our podcast on Barangay Waste Segregation Innovation. Until next time, let's keep working together for our better community.